Alright, we just got the birds in from loft line. Take a look at them inside the section here, eating their dinner. This is just one section, the largest section of the 4 that we have. Here's what we're feeding. Come out of this section into the hallway. This is where the birds spend the day, out in the sun. Protected hallway with perches. Goes all the way the length of the loft. Excuse me. This is one of the smaller sections. We had a toss yesterday from 40 miles. We had every bird back. The clock missed clocking some birds, so they'll show up on there today because we let them out today and they clocked. So we did pick up one bird that was injured that was about 10 miles from the release point. He had hit a wire. The bird probably will be out of the race, but everything else is home. And that's a look at the loft. We're still good for Wednesday. Wish all of you luck, and thanks for watching.